If you're in your 20s and looking to get a grip on your finances, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into the 10 best financial habits to adopt in your 20s. These habits are essential for building a strong financial foundation that will benefit you for years to come. So grab a notebook because you're going to want to take notes. 1. Create a budget and stick to it. It might sound like a basic concept, but a well-structured budget is the cornerstone of good financial health. Creating a budget helps you keep track of where your money is going and ensures that you're living within your means. Start by listing all your sources of income, including your salary, any side gigs, or passive income streams. Next, categorize your expenses into fixed costs like rent or mortgage payments, utilities and insurance, and variable costs, such as groceries, dining out, and entertainment. A practical approach is to use budgeting apps like Mint or YNAB. You need a budget. These tools help you categorize spending, track your progress, and set financial goals. For a more hands-on approach, you could use a simple spreadsheet to create and manage your budget. Remember, a budget isn't a one-time exercise. It's essential to review and adjust it regularly, especially if your financial situation changes or you have new goals. 2. Build an emergency fund. Life is full of surprises, some good and some not so great. Having a financial cushion can make dealing with unexpected expenses much less stressful. An emergency fund should cover 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This fund is not for regular expenses or planned purchases, but for unforeseen events like medical emergencies, car repairs, or sudden job loss. Start small if necessary. Even setting aside $50 to $100 a month can accumulate over time. Store this money in a high-yield savings account where it can grow with interest, but still be easily accessible when needed. Automating your contributions can make this process easier and ensure that you consistently build your fund. 3. Start saving for retirement early. Saving for retirement might seem like something far off, but starting early can make a huge difference thanks to the power of compound interest. The sooner you start saving, the more time your money has to grow. If your employer offers a 401k plan, contribute enough to get any available match. This is essentially free money and a great way to boost your retirement savings. Additionally, consider opening an IRA, individual retirement account. There are 2 types, traditional and Roth. With a traditional IRA, you get tax deductions now but pay taxes when you withdraw in retirement. With a Roth IRA, you pay taxes now but can withdraw tax-free in retirement. Even if you can only contribute a small amount initially, the key is to start. As your income grows, increase your contributions. Regularly review your retirement accounts and adjust your investment strategy as needed. 4. Manage and pay off debt. Debt can be a significant barrier to financial health, but managing and paying it off effectively is crucial. Start by listing all your debts, including credit cards, student loans, car loans, and any other liabilities. Note down the amount owed, interest rates, and minimum monthly payments for each. Focus on paying off high-interest debts first. This is known as the avalanche method. Alternatively, you might prefer the snowball method, where you pay off the smallest debts first to build momentum and motivation. Consider consolidating high-interest debts into a lower-interest loan or balance transfer credit card if it makes financial sense. Always aim to make more than the minimum payments on your debts to reduce the total interest paid and shorten the repayment period. 5. Build and maintain good credit. Your credit score is a critical component of your financial health and affects everything from loan approvals to insurance rates. Building and maintaining good credit involves a few key practices. Start by paying all your bills on time. Late payments can significantly impact your credit score. Keep credit card balances low relative to your credit limit, ideally below 30%. Avoid taking on more debt than you can manage, and be cautious with new credit inquiries, as they can temporarily lower your score. Regularly check your credit report for any errors or fraudulent activity. You can obtain a free credit report annually from each of the 3 major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Dispute any inaccuracies you find to keep your credit report clean. 6. Set financial goals. Setting clear, achievable financial goals helps you stay focused and motivated. Start by defining what you want to achieve financially. This could be short-term goals like saving for a vacation or a new gadget, or long-term goals like buying a house or starting a business. Break these goals down into smaller, actionable steps. For example, if your goal is to save $5,000 for a vacation in a year, determine how much you need to save each month to reach that target. Track your progress and adjust your plan as needed. Celebrate milestones along the way to stay motivated. 7. Invest in your skills and education. Investing in yourself is one of the best financial decisions you can make. Education and skill development can lead to better job opportunities, higher earning potential, and career growth. Consider taking courses or earning certifications that can advance your career or open new doors. This could include formal education, online courses, or workshops. Sometimes a relatively small investment in learning can lead to significant increases in your income over time. In addition to formal education, focus on developing soft skills like communication, leadership, and problem solving, which are highly valued in the job market. 8. Automate your savings. Automating your savings can help you build wealth effortlessly. By setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings or investment accounts, you ensure that you are consistently saving and investing without having to think about it. For example, you can schedule automatic transfers to your emergency fund, retirement accounts, or investment portfolios. Automating these transfers helps you stick to your savings goals and can make managing your finances much simpler. 9. Live below your means. Living below your means is a fundamental principle of financial stability. It involves spending less than you earn and avoiding lifestyle inflation, where increased income leads to increased spending. To live below your means, start by evaluating your spending habits and identifying areas where you can cut back. This might include reducing discretionary expenses like dining out, subscriptions, or impulse purchases. Instead, focus on saving and investing the surplus. Creating a frugal mindset doesn't mean you have to deprive yourself. It's about making thoughtful decisions and prioritizing your long-term financial health over short-term gratification. 10. Educate yourself continuously. Finally, never stop learning about personal finance. The financial world is constantly changing, and staying informed will help you make better decisions and adapt to new opportunities. Read books and articles, listen to financial podcasts, watch videos, and attend workshops. Follow reputable financial blogs, and consider joining online communities or forums where you can learn from others and share your experiences. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to navigate your financial journey. Conclusion. And there you have it, our top 10 financial habits to adopt in your 20s. These habits might seem simple, but they can have a profound impact on your financial future. Start implementing these tips today and set yourself up for long-term success and peace of mind. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.